Smudgeon, and on this show we're going to talk a lot about what you can do with your digital marketing campaigns, what you can do to really improve them, whether it's Facebook, Google, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, really whatever it is. We're going to talk about that, what you can do to improve results. This is episode 1. Today we're going to talk about how to use the Facebook Pixel. So the Facebook Pixel, if you guys aren't familiar with it, it's something that Facebook instituted a little while back. It's really a way to track all of your campaigns. You can really identify what kind of traffic are coming to your website from your campaigns. What are they doing on the website? It's really a great way to not only track conversions, but also how to track retargeting, how to track key page views, things like that. And really it allows you to kind of identify different levels of your funnel, where people are coming from, how they're going through your website, and kind of what you can do to improve results over time. So really, what you need to do is you can go into your ads manager and you can pull out that pixel code and have that placed on the website. It's pretty simple to do. They give you the code, you just place it on your website in between the headers, and you're gonna want to do it on every page of the website. And if this is something that you guys aren't able to do, you can just ask your web guys, they should be able to do it, no problem. And something else that you need to do is called standard events. You're gonna want to utilize those different standard events. So those are gonna be everything down from a page view all the way down to a conversion. So it's just a little line in the code that changes from what exactly the code is reporting. So everything page view, key content view, form fill, search on the website. There's really a lot of different things that you can do on it, and that'll really just be exactly what Facebook's identifying, what they're reporting back to your ad campaigns. And that way you can see, all right, this ad is driving 100 impressions, 50 of those are going to the next key content view, and then 10 of those are actually going on to a conversion. So you know exactly what you need to be doing to convert people, where the drop-off is essentially. And really, another key part of using the Facebook Pixel is going to be retargeting and segmenting out these different audiences. So obviously, you guys know what retargeting is. Someone goes to your website, they see your ad campaign, you're going to follow them around, you're going to tag them with that retargeting code. So they'll see your ad, they'll see the product they were looking at, and it's a really effective way to get people back to your website and make that purchase ultimately. But what's great about using the Facebook Pixel is you can actually segment this audience out even further. So you can kind of essentially narrow out what your funnel is all the way from the top, from what a page view is all the way down to a conversion. So you can actually retarget at different levels of the funnel. So say you get 10 conversions, obviously that's not a huge audience, but maybe you get 100 people on the very last step before you actually make a purchase. So maybe you get a lot of people to that add to cart. You can actually use that level of the funnel using the Facebook Pixel. You can retarget to those people very specifically. And you can also flip that audience and create what they call a lookalike audience to essentially, Facebook uses like 1,500 characteristics for each person, and identify people that are very similar to that target audience that you might not have reached before. So there's a lot of different things you can do with it. And really, the main reason you're gonna wanna do it is just conversion tracking it's something you need to be doing. If you're not tracking conversions, you don't know what's working and what's not working. So you're really just kind of throwing things at the wall and hoping they stick and just seeing sales at the end. So really, the conversion tracking leads to optimizing for conversions. It's really a cyclical thing. So you can see, all right, ad 1, running this type of copy, this type of creative is driving the most conversions, whereas this ad type is driving people to a certain landing page and it's not going through. And it can also help you identify, are certain landing pages not driving conversions? There's something wrong with the user experience. It's really a great way to kind of A/B test on different things in your website and see what kind of results you're getting from each different thing. And also, if you need to, you can use what they call custom conversions. These are actually super useful if, say you have a client and they add the original pixel for you, but you don't have access to the website to add the different identifiers and the different standard events. So if the main pixel is on the website, you can actually create custom conversions based on URL. So if they have a standard thank you page, say it's example.com/conversion/thank you, that's the thank you page for when someone makes a purchase. You can actually target that specific URL, make it a custom conversion, and then you can actually track that as the conversion. Rather than the event, it tracks the page view, and then you can optimize using that URL as well. So there's a lot of things you could be doing. Definitely Facebook Pixel, if it's something you're not using, you should definitely get on it. It's something that's going to allow you to really improve results in your campaigns, and also allows you just the amount of data you can pull. It's going to make a huge improvement on your campaign. So definitely get going with it if you haven't already.